Hi, good morning. My name is Hector Josué Mendoza, and today I am going to explain how to make pancakes. First, you can make pancakes with simple ingredients. Uh, Such as flour, makes sugar, baking powder, butter, and a latte salt. It could also and vanilla extracts to fix the pancakes. A better a flavor. A my and chocolate chip or fresh fruit. If what's at a sweeter breakfast. Those extra ingredients make makes the pancakes even more delicious. No squash star. Fish a mix are the three ingredients. Then it adds the mix and melting butter. It will mix everything. Carefully until the butter is small. It should let the butter rest for about 10 minutes. Forever cookies. It must heat pan forever. If for the butter because thanks helps. The pancakes cause ever neat. Finally, it goes 2 minutes on as si unte. It's golden brown. Now my pancakes are ready and hope you enjoy this ice. Repeat. Thank you for your listening.